Alzheimer's disease, a leading mortality cause. Hi, I'm the narrator TL, and I'm going to lead you understanding the devastating Alzheimer's disease. It is estimated there are currently over 100 million this disease patients worldwide, and this number will continue to grow due to aging population. Is there really no cure or existing treatment? Before knowing the answer, let us go back to the 20th century. In this century, scientists have made a good breakthrough in understanding how will the Alzheimer's disease affect the brain. In 1906, Dr. Alzheimer noticed that a woman who died of a not usual mental illness. She had some bad symptoms such as memory loss. Dr. Alzheimer examined her brain and found a lot of non-normal fibers. Time passed to 4 years later. A German psychiatrist who worked with Dr. Alzheimer first named the Alzheimer's disease. In 1931, Germans McConnell and Ernest Rusker together invented the electron microscope, which can magnify up to 1 million times and lead to further study of brain. Thanks to the invention of electron microscope. In 1984 and 1986, beta amyloid and tau protein was discovered, which identified as the main component of triggering nerve cell damage. Based on those discoveries, in 1987, clinical trials for the first drug that targeted the symptoms of Alzheimer's disease was assisted. Scientists continue to develop drugs for the disease, and finally, in 1999, the Alzheimer's vaccine is successful in mice and later used in human body. As we travel back to the 21st century, the HKUST brought out a groundbreaking discovery in 2016 that explained the cause of Alzheimer's disease. They discovered that impaired clearance of toxic amyloid beta peptides impedes the communication between brain cells. Because of soluble ST2 disrupting amyloid beta clearance, the immune cell cause cellular dysfunction resulting in memory loss. Since as ST2 levels increase during aging, Alzheimer's symptoms worsen over time. So what symptoms can we find?
TL, let me answer your question. In our daily life, we can easily find many patients with Alzheimer's forgetting dozens of things, even their family members and friends' name. In early stage of Alzheimer's, which is known as mild, symptoms may not be widely apparent at this stage. Next, we will come to the middle stage of Alzheimer's, which is known as moderate. Symptoms are more pronounced. For example, the person may confuse words, get frustrated or angry, or refusing to breathe. In the late stage of Alzheimer's, known as SIRF, symptoms of SIRF even lose the ability to respond, communicate, and control movement, which need extensive care. However, person living with Alzheimer's won't giving them comfort and dignity at the end of their journey.
Thanks, Hugo. As mentioned, the Alzheimer's disease is such a degenerative disease. Finding a cure for it is a global priority. Meanwhile, a new drug named ACHE inhibitor was invented in 2013. A treatment called cognitive rehabilitation was introduced in 2016. In 2022, scientists developed adominate, which is the first neuropathy that aimed to reduce beta amyloid. In this video, we have explained that the NOS from Alzheimer's disease was discovered by careful observation of Dr. Alzheimer. Appearance of Alzheimer's disease was testable, and it is supported by evidence from examination of brain done by Dr. Alzheimer, and reasons of Alzheimer's disease advanced with improvements in microscopy and based on previous studies of amyloid beta by researchers around the world. If you want to know more about the Alzheimer's disease, scan this QR code to visit the related articles.